Ingredients: white lentil, yogurt, oil, pink Himalayan salt, cumin and black rock salt. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of white lentil, Now wash the lentil for 2 to 3 times to remove any dirt or impurities. Add some water and let it soak for overnight. The next morning, this is how your lentils should look. Take small portions of the lentil to form a smooth batter. Now the key is to do this in batches and adding very little water. The lesser the water, the tighter the batter would be, which is what we want for our fritters. Now take out the batter in a wide jar. You can check the batter by doing a small test, which I will show you in the video. Whisk the batter. Add salt to taste. Mix it. The more you whisk, the softer the fritters would be. Now you can do a small litmus test by taking some water in a bowl and adding a small portion of the batter. Now if the batter floats, then it is ready. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Add the oil to the batter. Mix it well. It is important to fortify our diets by eating lentils. White lentil is packed with various nutrients and minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, iron, zinc and folate. It contains fiber, aids digestion and provides energy. It is also good for weight loss. This is the consistency of the batter that we are trying to achieve. Put a liner in the air fryer and then take small portions of the batter and add them in the air fryer. Since we are air frying, the shape of the dumplings would be slightly different than the ones that are deep fried. Now air fry the batter dumplings at 200 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. In the meantime, take some yogurt in a jar. Add some water. Add salt to taste. Add a teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin. Add black rock salt to taste. And everything to form a nice mixture. In a bowl, take some cold water. Now soak the fritters in the water and let them be in it for some time. Here's how the fritters should look once they are air fried. Take the yogurt mixture, now add the fritters into it. Take the fritters along with the yogurt mixture in a bowl. Add tamarind chutney to taste. This is homemade without oil and no refined sugar. Add black rock salt to taste. Add half a teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching.